When connecting a portable generator to a race car transporter, grounding is crucial for safety and proper operation. Yes, it is essential to bond the ground from the generator to the frame of the transporter. This bonding creates a necessary electrical path for fault currents, significantly reducing the risk of electrical shock. There are two primary methods for grounding in this scenario. Firstly, driving a ground rod into the earth near the transporter and connecting the generator's ground wire to that rod. Secondly, using a ground strap to connect the transporter's frame directly to the generator's frame. Because driving a ground rod may not be convenient each time the transporter is used, a ground strap is generally the preferred and more practical solution for this application. For installing the ground strap, firstly, select a heavy-duty ground strap that is adequately rated to handle the potential fault currents within the system. Secondly, make secure connections using bolts and nuts to attach the ground strap to both the transporter's frame and the generator's frame. Thirdly, it is vital to ensure all connections are tight and completely free of any corrosion to maintain a reliable ground path. As a side note, it is recommended to install the 60 amp main breaker panel, or MBP, inside the transporter to shield it from weather and potential damage. Also, ensure that the flange-mounted male twist lock receptacle on the outside of the transporter is both weatherproof and appropriately rated for outdoor use to withstand environmental conditions. Consider adding a surge protector to the electrical setup. This will provide an extra layer of defense for your valuable electrical equipment against damaging voltage surges.